You all have heard that investing in a mutual fund is a right choice. This video will help you get a complete understanding of mutual fund along with its advantages. Hello and welcome to holisticinvestment.in YouTube channel. We help individual investors like you take right financial and investment decision. Now let's see what is mutual fund. Mutual fund is an investment vehicle which collects money from all category of investors such as small investor, large investor, corporates and invest them in equity, stocks, government securities and gold. Mutual fund investors are granted with wide range of choices so investors can pick their investment catering to their financial goals and needs. Mutual funds are managed by professional fund manager who knows when to buy and when to sell any stock or security. Now let's talk about the multiple categories of investment available in mutual fund. If you are looking to invest for just one day, then you can opt for overnight liquid fund option in mutual fund. Or if you are looking to invest for a time period of 1 year, then you can invest in debt funds. Or if you are looking to invest for a time period of 3 to 4 years, then you can invest in balance funds. Suppose if you are a long-term investor, then you can opt for equity funds which has a wide variety of choices. Another interesting fact about mutual fund is you can invest in gold through mutual fund. There is an option available called gold mutual fund where you can invest without worrying about the safety, quality and liquidity. Now let's discuss about the return that we get in each mutual fund investment. Equity funds have delivered around 15% return over the last 20 years. Now let's take an example to get a better understanding about the 15% compounded return. Imagine you have invested 1 lakh in equity mutual fund for 20 years. Today the value of it is 15 lakhs. Now let's move on to the return that we get from investing in debt funds. If you see, debt funds have delivered around 5 to 7% returns. Many people think that you need a lot of money to invest in mutual fund. This is not true. You can start investing in mutual fund with as low as 1000 rupees. You can also start SIP with 1000 rupees. If you wish to do lump sum investments, say 5000 or 10,000 or 1 lakh or 10 lakh or even 1 crore, then you are given a complete freedom to invest that much amount. Mutual fund in India is well regulated by SEBI. SEBI full form, the Security and Exchange Board of India. SEBI lays down regulations for all mutual fund companies to protect the rights of all investors. When it comes to withdrawal, you are able to withdraw your money very easily from mutual fund with just one click. Within next 24 to 72 hours, your money will be credited to your account based on today's current valuation. Yes, it's true, based on today's current valuation, irrespective of your investment size. Some of the large mutual fund houses are SBI Mutual Fund, HDFC Mutual Fund, ICICI Mutual Fund and ABSL Mutual Fund. All these companies are generating tremendous amount for the last 15 to 20 years. Now let's summarize what we have covered in this video. Mutual fund can be trusted as they are professionally managed. Mutual fund offer their investors with a wide variety of products. They are well regulated by SEBI, which ensures the protection of the rights of the investors. It is very easy to invest in mutual fund and it offers better return to their investors. So what are you waiting for? Start your mutual fund investment today. If you have any doubt regarding this or any other financial or investment decision, don't hesitate to book an appointment with our financial expert. The link to the appointment is given in the description below. And also, would you like to know more about finance and investment? Then we would recommend you to attend our live webinar. The link to the webinar is also given in the description below. The webinar is absolutely free. If you like this video, hit like, and if you are new to our channel, please do subscribe.